Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Congratulations to the two winners that have just been drawn this morning, and thanks to everyone that has taken part and entered and been subscribed to my channel, whether you've just started subscribing now or whether you've been a long-term member. Thanks you all for your support. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel wouldn't run, and I couldn't do these giveaways for you. I love being able to give something back, and like I say, thanks a lot guys for being part of this channel. So first of all, we're going to give away the WWF 50p coin 2011. I got that in a coin hunt today and I said I'd give it away, so that is going to be the first one. Second, we'll be giving away the Sir Isaac Newton 50p coin, and then thirdly we'll be giving away the full Paddington Bear 50p coin set there to one lucky person. So I've done it so there's going to be three winners, like I say, one for the WWF, one for the Sir Isaac Newton, and one will win all four of the Paddingtons. We'll draw it exactly the same in a bowl, everyone's name's in there. First one will win the WWF, second one the Sir Isaac Newton, and the third person will win all four Paddingtons. Good luck to everyone who's going to enter, and like I say, I know a lot of you have entered a lot and still not won, but your time will come, and like I say, I am trying to do it the fairest way, and I'm trying to do as many as I can just so you all can get yourself, some free coins for your collections. So thank you all again. This will run for another week. I'll draw it again in 1 week's time, 9 o'clock in the morning. All I can say is thanks a lot then guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck to you all. And as always, thanks for watching.